course, here's a detailed 600-word article about ABT Sports Line in 2025. ABT Sports Line in 2025, pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation in 2025. ABT Sports Line continues to solidify its reputation as one of the world's leading automotive tuning companies, specializing primarily in Audi, Volkswagen, A-Ring Skoda, and Seat vehicles. With more than a century of experience in motorsport and tuning, ABT remains at the cutting edge of technology, consistently blending high-performance engineering with German precision, a legacy of excellence founded in 1896 as a horse carriage workshop by Johann Abt. The company evolved alongside the automotive industry. By the late 20th century, ABT Sports Line became synonymous with motorsport success and street car tuning. In 2025, the company honors its roots while embracing future technologies such as electrification, hybrid powertrains, and software-driven performance enhancements. Performance upgrades. ABT's traditional strength lies in transforming regular Audi and VW Group models into high-performance machines. In 2025, they offer an expanded range of tuning packages for the latest Audi RS models, such as the RS6 Savant Performance, RS7 Performance, and the formidable RSQ8. Their in-house engine tuning modules, like the ABT Power R and ABT Engine Control (EC) systems, now provide even finer control over torque, throttle response, and boost pressure. For example, an RS6 upgraded by ABT can deliver up to 750 horsepower, compared to the factory standard of around 630 horsepower. ABT also offers carbon fiber aerodynamic kits, lightweight wheels, enhanced braking systems, and interior customization, ensuring that performance upgrades are matched by aesthetics and luxury. Electrification and sustainability. Recognizing the automotive industry's shift towards sustainability, ABT has significantly invested in electric vehicle (EV) technologies. Their collaboration with Audi on the Audi RS e-tron GT ABT has gained widespread acclaim. In 2025, the tuned e-tron GT features optimized battery cooling systems, software tweaks for better energy management, and aerodynamic upgrades that improve range and stability without sacrificing speed. ABT has also extended its expertise into hybrid models, enhancing vehicles like the Audi Q5 TFSIe and the Volkswagen Touareg RE Hybrid with improved performance modules that maintain eco-friendliness while delivering exhilarating driving experiences. Motorsport dominance. ABT Sports Line's motorsport pedigree remains a major part of its identity. In 2025, ABT competes actively in several series, including the Formula E World Championship, where they continue to field a highly competitive team. Their commitment to electric racing has given them unique insights into EV tuning for street cars, positioning them as pioneers in a market increasingly dominated by electric performance. Additionally, ABT participates in endurance races and off-road events, showcasing their engineering prowess beyond traditional circuit racing. Their extensive motorsport involvement ensures that technologies tested under extreme conditions eventually make their way into consumer products. Customization and lifestyle. In 2025, ABT is not just a tuner, it's a lifestyle brand. Through ABT Individual, customers can create completely bespoke vehicles tailored to personal tastes. Options include special paints, tailor-made interiors with exclusive leatherwork, and even limited-run models like the ABT RSQ8 Signature Edition, of which only a few dozen units are produced annually. Beyond cars, ABT's lifestyle offerings include clothing, accessories, and even high-end bicycles, all bearing the same commitment to quality and performance that defines their automotive products. Looking to the future. ABT Sports Line's future appears stronger than ever, with plans to further integrate AI-based tuning algorithms, autonomous driving enhancements, and expanded dev offerings. ABT continues to prove that tradition and innovation can coexist harmoniously. In 2025, whether you seek breathtaking speed, advanced electrification, or a pure automotive artistry, ABT Sports Line delivers a package few can match. As the world evolves, ABT remains at the forefront, blending a rich heritage with the demands of the tomorrow's mobility landscape. Would you also like a shorter, 300-word, or even longer, 1,000-word, version depending on where you plan to use this? Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications.